So welcome to the channel, dear students. In this video we will be covering another high weightage topic from maths, that is statistics. And the good thing or the best thing about this chapter is that there is a very less variability which is asked from JEE Mains, and the questions are often little lengthy, but very simple and very straightforward. So without much delay we will jump into the topic. So students, to solve this question, you have to remember these three formulae. That should be sufficient. So what is the first formula? First formula is mean. Mean is represented by x bar, which is nothing but a sum of all observations by number of observations, which is sigma I equals to 1 to n xi divided by n, which is nothing but x1 plus x2, and so on till xn divided by n. N is the number of observations, okay? And the second is variance, which is equal to summation I equals to 1 to n mod of xi minus x bar. X bar is mean, so mod of xi minus x bar whole square divided by n. And standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance. So keeping these three formulae in mind, let us solve the question. So the first question which we have is this. For a statistical data, we have x1, x2 and so on till x10. That means 10 observations are there. So n is equal to 10 as of now. A student obtained the mean as 5.5. That means originally the mean is 5.5. So can we say 5.5 is equal to sigma I equals to 1 to 10 xi divided by 10. So can we say sigma I equals to 1 to 10 xi is nothing but 5.5 into 10, which is 55. Now it's telling that this also is given, that is sigma I equals to 1 to 10 xi square is equal to 371. He later found that he had noted two values in the data incorrectly as 4 and 5. Yeah, as 4 and 5 instead of the correct values as 6 and 8. That means sigma, let us write the sigma I equals to 1 to 8 xi plus x9 plus x10 is equal to 55. Now the incorrect observations are 4 and 5. So what should we do? We will first find this value, that should be 55 minus x9 minus x10, that is minus 4 minus 5. So this should be 55 minus 5 is 50 minus 4 is 46. Now actual data should be sigma is equal to 1 to 8 xi plus what should the correct values be? 6 and 8. So we have to add 6 and 8, which is 46 plus 14. What should that be? 50 plus then I think it should be 60. So the actual mean actual should be 60 divided by 10, which is 6. Now what does he want? He wants us to find the variance of the corrected data. So for that we have to first find what is the formula for variance. Sigma I equals to 1 to 10 mod xi minus x bar whole square divided by 10, right? For that we need a certain information. Now this will be sigma I equals to 1 to 10 xi bar whole square plus, actually this x bar is nothing but the correct or actual mean, which is 6. So what should we write here? So this should be 6 square minus 2 into mean, that is 6 into sigma xi divided by 10. So we get sigma I equals to 1 to 10 xi square plus, now 36. When I apply 36, how many times is 36 being repeated? It is repeated 10 times because sigma is there for this also. So 36 into 10 minus 12 into, now this should be the actual sigma xi. So actual sigma xi is 60. So divided by 10. Now we just have to find this value and we will get the correct answer. So what is that? So sigma xi square, dear students, is not 371. Sigma xi square, let me write it here. Sigma I equals to 1 to 8 xi square. We have to first delete the incorrect values, that is 4 square plus 5 square, and that is equal to 371. So 371 minus 16 I think and minus 25, I think it should be around 330. So sigma I equals to 1 to 8 xi square is equal to 330, but we want sigma equals to 1 to 10 xi square. That should be 330 plus 6 square plus 8 square. Now this is the actual value, so this should be 330 plus 36 plus 64. I think it should be 430 if I am right, because this is 100. So finally we will get this should be 430 plus 360 minus 720 divided by 10. So it should be 430 minus 360. 360 minus 720 is minus 360. So 430 minus 360 should be 70. 70 divided by 10 should be 7. I guess that is option B. So hence this is the correct answer. That's it. Now the next question is a homework question. I request all of you to please solve it and comment the answer in the comment section. Meet you with another important topic from maths in the next video. Thank you.